A few lightning strikes being detected in eastern parts of WBUP County over into western sections of Iron County. This rainfall is going to continue through this evening. That snow really sticking onto grassy surfaces, but having a tough time sticking onto the roads. And that's because for the most part, we have temperatures that are still above freezing. These wind directions are meeting in the middle. That's causing air to rise and these showers and thunderstorms to break out. They're drifting off towards the southeast, heading through sections of Oscoda and Alpena counties. Lori calls this photo if 2020 were a snowman. She says this snowman in Spruce has been discolored, lost an eye, is held up by one stick arm, but still standing. On the other side of this cold front that's currently draped across parts of northern Minnesota, North Dakota, those winds are going to shift out of the northwest, and that will help bring us some cooler temperatures. We have a warm front parked across the UP, so on the south side of that warm front, it is significantly warmer. 47 degrees currently in Iron Mountain. We have a 30-degree spread in temperature across the UP, so if you don't like the season you're in, just drive over to the next county. Here's Futurecast at 10 o'clock this evening with the pink indicating that potential for a wintry mix over western parts of the UP. Eastern areas staying warm enough for rain showers. 6 to 12, the number to go by for the yellow area. 2 to 7 inches over eastern Iosco County, where there is expected to be more of a rain-snow mix. Later tonight, that's when our first round of showers will be moving in after about 1 a.m. continuing into the morning hours tomorrow. There might even be a rumble of thunder. Getting well into the 50s in the Alpena area. The last time we had temperatures in the 50s was back in late November. We're currently at 53 degrees in Alpena. It's a little cooler in Oscoda. That's because there's a breeze coming off of Lake Huron. So the temperature in Oscoda is at 44 degrees, 52 in Harrisville, 47 in Atlanta, and 53 degrees in West Branch. Across the area, we have temperatures running about 15 to 25 degrees warmer than what we had yesterday. Winds in Alpena are coming out of the west-northwest at 8 miles per hour, so we're not picking up any breeze off of the lake in Alpena. But in Oscoda, the winds are coming out of the northeast locally, so that's providing some cooler temperatures in that area. Elsewhere, winds out of the west-northwest in Atlanta at 7 miles per hour and 10 miles per hour out of the west in West Branch. We're seeing a good amount of clear sky over our area. We have high pressure over western Wisconsin that is getting closer to us. We have winds mainly circulating out of the west over the top side of this high pressure system. On the other side of the high pressure system, winds are coming more out of the south. And so we'll see some warmth building in as we look towards the middle of the week, but we'll also have moisture building into the area. There's a pair of low pressure systems, one over Wyoming, the other over Utah. This is going to move across the plains, bring us increasing moisture and some opportunities for rainfall heading into Wednesday. For tonight, low temperatures about 25 degrees in Alpena, 26 degrees in Tawas City, 27 in Atlanta with partly cloudy skies and light winds. For tomorrow, we'll likely see a bit more cloud cover, mostly cloudy skies. Winds coming out of the south-southeast around 10 miles per hour. We'll have highs getting up to 49 degrees in Alpena because of that south-southeast wind that's coming a little bit off of Lake Huron. So many of our shoreline locations will be in the lower to middle 40s. We'll have highs near 52 degrees in Atlanta and 50 degrees in Mayo. Tomorrow's looking dry, thickening cloud cover, but otherwise not much in terms of any chances of rain. That changes into Wednesday with that moisture moving in from the west. We'll have rain moving in around midday Wednesday and then continuing into the afternoon and evening. So here is a look at how much rainfall we could be seeing going into Wednesday. Notice that Tuesday stays completely dry. It's Wednesday after lunchtime that we start picking up on some rainfall. The shoreline in Iosco County looking at very little rainfall around Alpena, close to 1/3 of an inch of rain, and a little bit heavier north and northwest of Alpena. So in Presque Isle County, those numbers about 1/2 inch of rain through Wednesday. There will probably be some additional showers on Thursday. The amount's a little bit uncertain, but it's quite possible that by the end of Thursday, we'll be looking at a total of 1/2 inch to 1 inch of rain. That's going to depend on the intensity of Thursday's showers. For tomorrow, highs near 49 degrees, a low of 36 early Wednesday. We'll have high temperatures getting into the middle 50s with rain for the afternoon and evening. Then Thursday and afternoon, chance of showers, highs getting up to 57 degrees, followed Following that, our temperatures will gradually get cooler, but we'll also have brighter skies for the end of the week. Mostly sunny on Friday, starting in the upper 20s, highs near 47 degrees. Then cooler for Saturday with highs near 38 degrees. The bright weather continues on Sunday with a high of 39 degrees. And then on Monday, we'll have a chance of rain showers or a rain-snow mix, and high temperatures expected to reach the lower 40s. When it comes to moisture, Professor Craig says there's more to consider than just total monthly rainfall.
When we look at some of the rainfall, totals or averages and things can sometimes be misleading because, you can have a few big rains and dry periods in between.
Professor Craig added that a couple weeks without substantial rainfall can speed up the changes from green leaves to vibrant colors. Meteorologist Pat Bach from the National Weather Service explains what led to the persistent heat this past season.
We found a good portion of the country was under a big ridge of high pressure for a lot of the summer. We were kind of on the edge of that, so it just kept us in a warmer pattern than we normally would see.
This year, the jet stream was displaced north of Lake Superior, resulting in a more persistent hot pattern in much of Michigan over the summer.